BNED stock is up 85% in this regular session of today, the 22nd of May 2024. At some point, we saw the spike that took it all the way towards $1.35. You can see the volatility, the bubble that the volatility cost based on what the price channel is indicating. So, because of this bubble, I mean, rather, if you have such a bubble, for you to see another trend, this bubble has to there has to be a contraction. We've seen that now, even though it's now becoming prolonged. But if you look at the 1 minute chart, it's you can see that there are projections that are indicating that it can retest those highs. They can retest those highs of $1.35. So from where it is right now, there's an upper projection of $1.03. It's currently at almost approximately $1. And we have another one. Another one is the other projections 1.05. Above that is 1.07, 1.1, and then there is 1.14, 1.2, 1.26. All of these prices it has actually tested and surpassed at some point in this session, but projected that it can rebound to such levels again. Let's have a look at its 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart. And that high of 1.3, okay, was 1.3 that they had, is still printed there, still there. Projection here is even higher, 1.33 on this 5 minute. 1.34 is even, yeah, 1.34. Well, I think roughly the same thing as what it printed in that session. But we have downward projections both on this. I mean, obviously, as you can imagine, we have 0.8, 0.8742, 0.7944, 0.73, 0.6656. We have 0.5766 and all the way down to 0.4631. Let's have a look at its 15-minute chart and see what we have. On the 15-minute chart, we have that again. We have that $1.3 price spike is equally printed there as well. But currently, okay, yeah. So it's currently below all of those projections, 1.2, 1.3, 1.28 below of them. So yeah, those are possible projections. Let's have a look at its 45-minute chart and see. Yeah, that's so this spike endured, yeah, for it to have been printed on its 45-minute chart. It wasn't just a brief one, it seems. Yeah, and upper projection is a 1.33. We haven't seen anything higher than that so far. Okay, so if we come all the way down to its daily chart, we can see not a lot is going on, not a lot, but it's at least it's better than not a lot. I wouldn't say cash flow isn't extremely bad for the stock. It's not extremely bad. We have seen it print all the way up towards 2.32 as of the 9th of January, and that will take it. That was close to the highs you had around April of early February, early last year. It reached 2.48. Yeah, yeah. I think there's a news out there. It's saying, let's see what it's saying. That says that it's asking what's going on with Barnes and Noble education stock today. Say the shares are moving higher. Okay, the stock appeared to be trading on continued volatility surrounding a possible strategic transaction with the company. Activist investors Outreach and Greenhaven submitted a preliminary recapitalization proposition of $114.5 million to the board of Barnes and Noble at the start of the month. The proposal featured a $57 million rights offering guaranteed by Outbridge, Greenhaven, and others, alongside a separate $57 million direct investment from 8 investors at a price of 35 cents per share. Additionally, Greenhaven and Outbridge will be provided with a pipe capacity option granting them that authority to invest up to $20 million and $7.5 million, respectively. So those are the news behind the spike we have seen with BNED stock. The stock, yeah, has been showing some strength before now, and it was brought to our attention by somebody in the community. So thank you all very much for your contributions, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Projections on BNED is such that it can retest the highs of around $1.3. So, but before we sign out now, we can see that it's the price is testing the upper line of its price price channel. There's a good chance it might retrace slightly. So the gain is now 90.71 because it's right on that price to the upper line of its price channel. It's an indication that weakness might set in again. That's a trend. The stock said the trend either when they get to the price upper price upper line of its price channel, they retrace, or yes, at some point in some cases they can even blow past, but a retracement is almost very likely. You can see that here, blew past all of it, and then saw it retrace back again. So right now that channel is the line is expanding to make up for the strength that it has seen now. Since we mentioned the last price gain, I think it has gained around 2%, but it's quite volatile now. So okay, you can see that's retracing slightly now. So that's the pattern. This is amongst other things what scalpers do. That's what the sort of things they observe. There's no guarantee it's going to work all the time for you, but we have just seen it now. Working, pulling back from the highs it just printed. Yeah. So once again, have a look at BNED, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.